Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The flip phones are making a stylish comeback in 2023, offering a nostalgic touch with modern features. Today, I'll explore the top 3 contenders in the flip phone arena devices that seamlessly blend classic design with cutting-edge technology. Before starting the video, the buy links are given in the description and you can buy these fold phones from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First on our list is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Samsung continues to impress with its innovative foldable technology. The Z Flip 5 boasts a sleek design with a foldable 6.7-inch AMOLED 2X display with 120 Hz refresh rate, providing a generous canvas for your apps and media. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, released in August 2023, is a compact yet powerful device. The device is powered by the Qualcomm SM8550AC Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and comes with either 256GB or 512GB of storage, both with 8GB of RAM. The device runs on Android 13. Upgradable to Android 14 with One UI 6. The rear camera setup includes a 12-megapixel wide main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera. The device also features a 10-megapixel front camera. The device is equipped with a 3,700 mAh battery and supports 25W wired charging. The device is available in multiple colors and is IPX8 water resistant. With its innovative design and impressive specs, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 offers a unique smartphone experience. Next up is the Oppo Find N3 Flip. Oppo has entered the flip phone arena with a bang, offering the Find N3 Flip with a unique take on the classic form factor. The phone features a stunning foldable display, a versatile camera system, and a robust set of specifications under the hood. Oppo's commitment to design and performance is evident in the Find N3 Flip, making it a strong contender in the flip phone market. The Oppo Find N3 Flip comes with a 6.8-inch main screen and a 3.26-inch cover screen. The device offers a unique dual-screen setup that enhances user interaction. Boasting a 120 Hz refresh rate on the main screen and a 60 Hz rate on the cover screen, users can expect smooth visuals and responsiveness. The impressive camera system includes a 50-megapixel main camera, 32-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, ensuring versatile and high-quality photography. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 CPU and supported by a 4,300 mAh battery, the Find N3 promises robust performance and enduring battery life. The phone's display, featuring vivid colors, high pixel density, and AMOLED technology, elevates the visual experience to new heights. With advanced features like EIS/OIS video stabilization and a range of shooting modes, the Oppo Find N3 Flip phone is a standout choice for those seeking innovation and versatility in a flip phone. Last but not least, we have the Motorola Razer Plus. Motorola, a pioneer in the flip phone era, continues to impress with its modern twist on the classic Razer. The Razer Plus features a nostalgic clamshell design, a foldable 6.9-inch display with a 165 Hz refresh rate, and a range of smart features. This phone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with a focus on design aesthetics and a reliable performance. The Razer Plus appeals to those who appreciate a blend of the past and the present. The Razer Plus Flip also boasts a versatile camera setup, including a 12-megapixel wide main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 48-megapixel front camera. As we wrap up our exploration of the top 3 flip phones of 2023, it's clear that manufacturers are pushing the boundaries of design and functionality in the smartphone world. Whether it's Samsung's innovative approach, Oppo's fresh take, or Motorola's nostalgic charm, there's a flip phone for everyone in this new era of mobile technology. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.